Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a CBSE school center code. We'll cover what these codes are, why they are important, and who typically needs to access them. Understanding the purpose of a center code is the first step in knowing where to look. We'll guide you through the official channels and resources available for obtaining this crucial information, ensuring you have a clear path forward. For schools, obtaining a center code is an integral part of the CBSE affiliation process. When a new school applies for affiliation, the board assigns a unique center code upon approval. Existing affiliated schools can typically find their code on official affiliation documents or through their school's administrative portal. This code is essential for all official communications and examination procedures. Students generally do not get a center code themselves, as these codes are primarily for examination centers. If you are a student, your specific examination center code will be clearly printed on your admit card for board examinations. It's crucial to refer to this document for accurate information. Always confirm details with your school administration if you have any questions about your examination venue. To ensure you have the correct center code, always refer to the official CBSE website for the most up-to-date information. Your school administration is also an excellent resource and can provide direct assistance. For examination purposes, double-check the code on your admit card. Following these steps will help you accurately identify and utilize the necessary CBSE center code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.